What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Biswap, which has taken quite of a pump, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last week. It has gained a huge amount of value, but the last 24 hours itself it has gained just over 27%, currently trading at 13 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is Biswap heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? As you guys can see, over the week it has gained 40%, and over the month just about 42%. Most of the pump coming from the last week and a half, due to the fact that Bitcoin has also pumped up over $52,000 earlier on in the week. So it is a green week for the crypto market, and potentially we can keep going in that direction. But today's focus is on Biswap, looking at its short-term and long-term prediction, and also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? And generally looking at, is Biswap a good crypto to be investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Biswap, which is here in purple at just below 10 cents. But the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 13 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Biswap over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, the lines do look like they are going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, they are just about slanting towards the negative side. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Biswap to be trading at around the 12 cents target is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is it is slightly overvalued right now, and it is due for a little bit of a dip over the next few hours. It is likely to pump up about 14 cents, and then later on this afternoon, evening time, it should start hitting red candles, dropping down in value, potentially down to around the 12 cents target. So bringing on the hourly chart here, over the next couple of days we're looking quite bullish here. We've got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So an overall minimal increase in value is expected from Biswap over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially towards the end of next week, guys, the crypto is likely to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading to around 15 cents. Just over that value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, guys, before it manages to do that over the weekend, I'm expecting it to drop down further down to around 10 to 11 cents. So go for a little bit of a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value again to over 15 cents in value by early to mid next week, and by the end of next week heading to 15 cents as well. So do expect it to be quite volatile, going for a price correction over the coming days, and then slowly starting to increase in value again, heading over 15 cents by the end of next week is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive. The reason they're looking quite steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last few days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is clearly not the case. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Biswap to be heading over the 20 cents target, potentially getting close to about 23-24 cents. But do bear in mind, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market overall, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can as I get more updates and news and analysis around the Bitcoin halving, and keep you guys updated. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So getting rid of the MACD indicator and bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are indeed in the lowest part of the red zone, guys. And for us to hit the resistance target, we need to hit 54 cents, which I'm not expecting Biswap to hit at the moment. However, towards the very end of the year, early next year, we should be able to hit the resistance target and potentially head into the green zone as well. But it is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment, and with the Bitcoin halving, this could delay it further or make it come quicker, depending on how that affects the crypto market. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 850% in the last 24 hours, making it $48 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, guys. We see it is one of the top gainers the last 24 hours, as you guys can see here. According to Binance, it is the third top gainer, meaning it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So there's a lot more activity going on, which in return is also helping the value of Biswap pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Biswap, guys. A lot of people have been asking me, can this crypto hit the dollar mark? Guys, we are too far away from the dollar mark, and not just that, but it will require a major increase, which, as I mentioned, I'm not expecting it to happen anytime soon. So it's going to take at least a good 12 to 18 months for the crypto to get close to the $1 mark, and it is a little bit too early to judge on that as well. So we're gonna have to leave the dollar mark until potentially the end of next year, is what my predictions are. But if it does, manage to come up earlier, I will let you guys know as soon as I can. So comment down below, how high are you guys expecting Biswap to go in 2024? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.